Guys, she's here. She's here. She's here. Got it. The gloves. No, this is her. I don't know what this part belongs to. We'll figure it out later. Because here's her. Love. We got this, which I'll figure out where it goes. But that's pretty good quality. Not gonna lie. Her base gloves are on. Bro, I'm gonna have to look at her to see what all these parts go to. Got the wig cap and got the hairpiece. Let's go. Well, let's put the makeup on. How are we thinking about Christmas socks? We like. Okay, so we finally figured out how to put it on correctly. So like, I didn't really make a good outro, so here's my outro. Anyways, here's some cosplay photos, and by the way, expect Utah soon, and I'm gonna save it for a surprise cosplay. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm sorry for not posting for a while, but thank you for watching this video.